Welcome to our channel. Enjoy our video and see the video until end to get magic experience. Thank you.
Strawberry garnish.
Prepare fresh strawberry fruits.
Cut and remove sepals fruit leaf and cut lengthwise into 2 pieces. Take cucumber, make small circle to carve eye and create smaller for the middle eye. Take remaining half of cutting strawberry fruit, slice thinly to make tentacles. Cute baby squid. Roast flower. Prepare strawberry fruit, choose a several flavored fruit. Remove leaf fruit, stamp it, and slice thin, carefully stack before cut it off. Thank you for watching our video. Please see our next interesting video to get another experience.